Empathy or impact? Humility or growth? People or profits? Head or heart? Take your pick. We were told to do that too. But 10 years in, we're here to tell you, you don't have to choose. We're Finn Partners, an integrated marketing agency that's global but fully independent. We've spent the last decade growing in size and turning brands into household names by helping them shift perceptions, shatter goals, reshape our culture, fight for justice, and make a lasting impact on industries and societies. We've stayed true the whole time to the values we hold dear. Work hard, play nice, effect change. And in doing so, we're changing everything. We're changing how agencies do business. We're changing what clients can expect. And we're helping them change lives and change the world one success at a time. More than an agency, champions of change.